So yesterday I did a video on the DBX Go Rack and how to run your microphone through a line input using this unit. Somebody asked, Joe Joppy asked, can you run two mics into one line? Yes, you can. Howie Darkstar pointed that out. Thank you, Howie. So I thought I'd do a demo on how that's done. Now, one thing you don't get is independent EQ and gain on your mixer anymore for both microphones. But you can do your independent gain on the DBX Go Rack itself. Here's how you hook it up, and here's how it works. On the back, you have your two inputs left and right. Go ahead and plug mic 1 into one of the inputs and mic 2 into the other one. Doesn't really matter which is which. And on these little line mic buttons, make sure they're pushed to indicate mic. So you got a mic input going into your inputs. Over here, you have your two outputs. They're line outputs. It doesn't matter which one you run. You can run either left or right. The way we're going to set it up on the top, everything's going to be going out mono, so it doesn't matter. We're only running one today. Now you can absolutely run two and run this on two separate lines if you want to. So the XLR goes out mono, we know that. Now we have to split the signal somehow. We also have to convert it to RCA. So this is what I built. This goofy looking thing from parts that I got at the local music shop. What you have is an XLR to 1/4 inch adapter. Then you have a 1/4 inch to RCA Y cable adapter. That allowed me to go ahead and run my mono signal into my line left and right. So the microphone came out of both the left and right speakers. Now, how do we set this all up? Well, the first thing we want to do is press and hold the mute button, and you get 1 through 3 as far as your output selector goes. Now, what you're going to want to do is go to 1, because 1 indicates that all of your outputs go out mono, and that's what we want. We want left and right in and mono out. So we leave that just like it is. Now we can go ahead and turn our volume up. They recommend that you start at about 70. That's 70 right there. Now we start looking at our independent left and right gains. So I'm going to start talking into a microphone and see if I can hear anything. Test 1 2, test 1 2, 2 2 2, test 1 2. See, I'm turning it up. All right, there we go. There's my microphone number 1. Now I'm going to do mic number 2. Test 1 2 2 2 2. Testing 1 2. So there you have it. We have two separate microphones running through the Go Rack into one single line input. So we've got two mics on one line. Now, once again, you do lose your independent control on the mixing board itself for each individual microphone, but you maintain that right here on the volume control of the Go Rack itself. So you can do that. You can also EQ, you can add compression or whatever you'd like to do. Here, we'll throw some compression in there. Hey, now that sounds pretty cool. Yeah, that does sound pretty cool. So there you have it. I hope this helps somebody. We'll see you next time. Practice and enjoy.